Two powerful hand grenade blasts consecutively inside Polo Ground, injuring 2 persons this evening. BJP-led state government tables total estimated budget of 13,733.62 crore rupees for 2018-2019 in the Budget Assembly session today. Deputy Chief Minister and Finance Minister Joy Kumar attributes increase in GSDP to lifting of economy blockage by the BJP-led state government, says 7-pay commission not in the current budget. Irate appointed Employee Association PWD tried to storm the assembly complex, demanding removal of gift in abeyance imposed on PWD employees' appointment in 2016 today. And Manipur Dam affected villages demand fair compensation for the villages affected by the prolonged construction of the dam by February 2010. Hello and welcome to Back News. You're watching Primetime English News and I'm Premi Thangchum bringing you the top stories. At least 2 persons were injured in 2 consecutive bomb blasts at the congested heart of Imphal city at Mapal Kangjoibung this evening around 5:40. The blast occurred inside Polo Ground, which is just about 100 feet to the north of Birthagen-Rigid flyover bridge, injuring 2 persons inside the ground. It may be mentioned that DGAR Sentinel Cup 2018, the 15th DGAR Equestrian Championship, is now ongoing at the ground, and Assam Rifles personnel are also now stationed at the ground in connection with the championship. Top police officers, including IG Zone 1 Clay, rushed to the spot where the blast took place. It may be recalled that a twin blast occurred in the heart of Imphal city at M sector on January 15th earlier this year. The BJP-led state government's total estimated budget of 13,733.62 crore rupees for the year 2018-2019 was tabled before the House of the Assembly session today. Some opposition members left the House without attending the presentation of the budget estimate, citing discontentment that their point of order was not put up appropriately by the Speaker in the House. Finance Minister Yumnam Joy Kumar tabled in the House revenue receipts at 12,648.94 crore rupees and capital receipts at 1,084.68 crore rupees. Joy Kumar stated that the total estimates of states' own tax and non-tax receipts assumed in the budget estimates are 1,047.58 crore and 248.53 crores respectively. He said that the state's share in central taxes and duties is expected to increase by 15% over 2017-18 RE and is estimated at 4,908.76 crore rupees in the budget estimates. The finance minister further stated that the total expenditure estimates for 2018 and 19 is estimated to be 13,731.04 crore rupees out of the consolidated fund of the state, an increase of 3.68% over 2017-18. Revised estimates for 13,243.67 crores. He said the revenue account is estimated to be surplus. The fiscal deficit for the year is estimated to be minus 612.41 crore rupees. This is 2.32% of the GSDP and it is within the prescribed limit of 3.5%. Joy Kumar said that the total outstanding debt is projected at 37.34% of the GSDP during 2018-2019 against the revised estimates of 38.25%. On the second day of the fourth session of the 11th Manipur Legislative Assembly today, Finance Minister Y. Joykumar presented demands for supplementary grants at 1,318 crore 84 lakh 33,000 as grants for supplementary demands for the year 2017 and 18. Chief Minister Nongthong Biren tabled the 5th Business Advisory Committee 2018 in the House today. The House maintained 1 minute silence and gave obituary reference to the late member of the House, Holkolet Kongsai, who was elected from Saikul constituency. After the budget estimate was tabled in the House with no further agenda to discuss, Speaker of the House adjourned the Assembly session for the day.
Education sector की दमकता अपुन development outlay की कायथोकबा अपुन सेंफम मसे मथंग चिना चाही 2017-18 दा लुपा कोटी समरी का मरफुमा तो 0.18 अमदी चाही 2018-19 की लुपा कोटी समरी का हुमदा 0.97 नी सेंट्रली स्पॉन्सर्ड स्कीम सिंग अमदी सेंट्रल प्लान स्कीम सिंग की फंड सिंग हेंगत लबना एकोइना ट्रेड कॉमर्स इंडस्ट्री handloom and handicraft, social security, amadi social welfare sector sing central sound khagre.
Before the budget estimate was introduced in the House, opposition MLA A.K. Mirabai tabled in the House to take action against MLA Androti Shyamkumar, who joined the BJP after being elected as Congress candidate on the 10th schedule of the Indian Constitution. MLA A.K. Mirabai was interrupted by Speaker Y. Khemchan and told her to table issues related to the agenda. Upon the Speaker's announcement, other opposition MLAs stood up to raise their concerns. However, the Speaker called for presentation of the budget estimates. Opposition members left the House as soon as Finance Minister Y. Joykumar was about to table the budget estimate for 2018-19 as per the agenda in the House today. Speaker Yumnam Khemchan launched a parking shade for the Assembly staff on Manipur Legislative Assembly campus today. The spacious parking lot will enable convenient parking of two-wheelers and four-wheelers on the campus. Deputy Chief Minister and Finance Minister Y. Joykumar asserted that state's gross state domestic product GSDP is increased by 9.99% from 2016-17 to 2017-18 and is expected to increase by 11.95% in the current budget estimated of 2018-19. He said the 7th Pay Commission is not included in the current budget. He said efforts will be made to include implementation of the 7th Pay Commission in the 15th Finance Commission in the upcoming India's annual budget session. Addressing media persons at his office chamber in Old Secretariat today, Finance Minister Y. Joykumar asserted that the increase in the GSDP will enhance economic activity in the state, especially primary, secondary and tertiary sector. He maintained that the BJP-led state government has almost totally abolished economic blockades that led to the smooth flow of transportation and other business activities, which has eventually enhanced the GSDP. He stated that there is an increase of 71% in the capital outlay from the previous financial year. Joykumar asserted that increase in the capital outlay is also attributed to the enhancement of infrastructure and economic activity by the present government. The Finance Minister stated that special focus is given to skill development, rural development, health sector, power and overall development of the state in the state's budget. He said the government intends to provide grants on the startup policy as a new policy to promote entrepreneurship in the state. He said special focus is also given to promote sports in the state. Joykumar said the Union Finance Minister has expressed a desire for due emphasis on football and various other potential sports events in the state. The Finance Minister disclosed that as tentatively approved by the Union Minister, our international level artificial football grounds may be constructed soon in the state. He also said efforts are on to construct a hockey playground in Imphal East District.
GSDP 2000 2017-18 and that like 2016-17 ge yangnor gadi 9.99% adu increase like aduga koina expect to see 2018-19 da 2017-18 ge compared to gadi it will be 11.95%. Ano ba sarkar si lakpa matung dagi di akoi gi economic blockade adigi ban asini singmisi mayam si ayamna loina akoi control to gre habda aduna kari result to ge habda ngasai economic activities in terms of transportation and various activities mayam ama koi construction dagi kari dagi apan me lai tabdagi hai bese machine result to gada hai ba kanu si GSDP se masi increase to pani 7 pay kanu se if we are to implement our requirement is 1400 crores per year. 1,400 crores, we are not in a position to pay. Foreign Finance Commission is we are planning that 15 Finance Commission.
Irate members of newly appointed Employee Association PWD tried to storm the assembly demanding BJP-led government to keep in abeyance of the PWD employees who were appointed in 2016 today. The employees headed towards assembly from Thangmaiban Mujikun, raising slogans for the same. However, security personnel stationed at the assembly tried to stop the protesters as the assembly session was underway at the moment. Later, a team of Imphal West Police led by SP Temthing Ngashangwa and additional SP Law and Order Priyadarshini controlled the situation. The protesters fled as a team rushed at the spot. However, some of the employees were arrested under the order of SP Temthing Ngashangwa. Speaking to media persons, spokesperson of newly appointed Employee Association PWD, Athuipao Thaimei, said the former government gave appointment order to them in 2016. He said the new BJP-led government verified the employees again in April 2017 and issued new appointment order on April 19 and gave postings the next day on April 20, 2017. Athuipao Thaimei alleged that the BJP-led government all of a sudden kept employees in abeyance after they started attending office on April 29 last year. He said that the association has time and again raised the issue to the Chief Minister and the Minister concerned. However, they have not received any response from the government even after 1 year. Meanwhile, all Manipur newly appointed PWD Contra Employees Association demanded release of employees arrested by the police during a protest demanding removal of the keep in abeyance of the employees earlier today without any condition. Speaking to media persons at Manipur Press Club, Joint Secretary of the association, Thangjam Surjit, stated that a protest was initiated to demand the removal of keep in abeyance imposed on the employees appointed in 2016. He maintained that the agitation was organized as a retaliation against the passive reaction of the Chief Minister and the ministers concerned regarding the matter. Taking part in the press meet, father of one of the employees stated that the arrested individuals did not join office through any kind of malpractice but by fair means, and said that punishing them is a form of injustice by the government.
Manipur Police ki kangujina koi thalaga koi moiga kitang noina da bangai sangtana ba haibade koi sangjin jage haiba moi force na moi changun haiba thingba leibidegi damani ngai sangtana ba dai koi staff si koi kuntra mu moi pick up to bigre pick up si tawkhra su koi makata na koi government na koi haibe susin wari sanaji khosi haiba kemta response lagtri hojibo adu government lagtri haiga jo koi tumine leiroi koi makata na haying dige koi dharna na chingbai koi makal makha kya ahen ba akan ma khongjing ma koi mayam matang koi changjin ga bi chap chaba koi susin ngasi koi warep lobjere.
Affected villages, Hatmand, Chiefs and Elders Organization demanded the government to undertake steps to compensate the villages affected by the prolonged construction of Mapithil Dam by the 10th of this month. The organization warned of putting a ban on inauguration of the dam if the government fails to fulfill their demands. The demands include payment of special economic package to all affected villages, payment of landless and landowner as per the provision of the government, rehabilitation grant to affected villages, payment of churches, construction and some much affected villages, etc. Speaking to media persons at the Manipur Press Club, chairperson of the organization, A.S. Solomon Mung, said that Mapital Dam was constructed to benefit the villages. He said the villagers of different villages gave their land of the construction of the dam as they thought that it would benefit them. However, the government has not given even the complete compensation for acquiring their lands. Solomon asserted that the villagers are facing a lot of hardships due to the unavailability of proper shelter. He termed it unfortunate that despite of the repeated requests to the government to compensate for resettlement, it has not taken any measures for them. Solomon maintained that Water Resource Department Minister Ledpa Hawkip assured the villagers to undertake works to do away with the hardships facing them. He urged the government to fulfill the demand by February 10th, failing which they will ban the inauguration of Mapital Dam, and that the government should be held responsible for any untoward incident.
Demand me am say genuine soy side ekoi ngana bige hana masamagna hai khrabni adu ngasi phawboda ekoi da meeting su ko bi de aduga ekoi gi apam ekoi gi revenge se krisu oina khanbi dadna sum leirap se si ekoi nungai de marak sida ekoi gi tarik tramari da ma thowar multiple project visit tawi aduga mana 15 ayuk sida March की तारीख 17 सिदा कमीशन तौरने एडवोकेट तौरने है सी पेपर डलाए अदुना मयाम एकोई निंथौ मयाम ना लोइना एकोई खुन खुन की एल्डर्स मयाम ना सिन नुंगाइते अदुना से एकोई की पाम मयाम से पीद्रि फौदी फुलफिल तो पीद्रि फौदी एकोई कमीशन तो हलोय.
All Manipur District Council Teachers Association Amakta demanded release of 4-month salaries from October 2017 to January 2018 for Autonomous District Council ADC's teacher on or before the February 10th. The association further warned of intense agitations if the state government remained indifferent to their demands. Addressing media persons at Manipur Press Club today, General Secretary of Amakta Ledkohau Lovum stated that the biased treatment by the state government to ADC education employees is quite apparent right from the unequal pay scale of ADC teachers and primary teachers of the education department. He lamented that such treatment alters the purpose of Chief Minister N. Biren's slogan, "Go to Hills." Ledkohau demanded equal pay for ADC primary teachers as they have the same eligibility criteria during recruitment, same duties and responsibilities. He maintained that employees are deprived of implementation of pensionary or retirement benefits and contributory scheme till now. It may be mentioned that the committee submitted a memorandum in connection with the matter to Chief Minister N. Biren, Deputy Chief Minister Y. Joy Kumar and Tribal Affairs and Hills Minister N. Kaishi on November 7th last year. They submitted the same memorandum today.
Employee mayamna tolop lobo yarani haina December 18 dagi lobo yarani haina lautuk pasida harau dana le adubu ekoina ni bukan dadi district council ki fund lete education ki fund lete haina piratre na district council oda singi tolop si matam sana on or before February 10 the PB dragadi ekoina su achauba education ama sangsil se haina mayamna district taruk na warip lograga ekoi lautuk javni employee mayamna tolop lobo yarani haina December 8.
Joint Administrative Council of All Manipur Trade Unions Council and All Manipur Government Employees Organization warned of democratic agitations. Their demands for implementations of the 7th Pay Commission is not tabled in the Manipur Legislative Assembly session. Addressing media persons at the Council's office in Babupara today, President of the Council, Khaidam Mani, stated that the JAC has already submitted a charter of demand including 22 points to the previous state government. He said the charter of demand was submitted for the third time to the present state government, including Chief Minister Nonthomban Biren. Khaidam Mani said a meeting held on October 26 last year, including Chief Minister Biren and Chief Secretary, the government expressed a desire for the implementation of the 7th Pay Commission and appealed for a 3-month time to decide on the matter. However, their demands are left unfulfilled till date. The senior advocate further asserted that the government should also give disturbed area allowances as disturbed area status has been declared in the state apart from the 7th Manipur Assembly segment. Secretary General of the JAC, L. Bikin, founders Secretary General S. Kishore Lal and executive members of the JAC were among those present during the press meet.
सरकार ने पिनिंगे दे हायरगा मधु रिफ्लेक्ट तौदो पोट अमला पुजदा होजिक असेंबली सेशन चतरी अदुना सिगी फिबम सिदा लैबसिदा होजिक चल्लिबे असेंबली सेशन सिदा 7 पे कमीशन से मणिपुर दा इन तो पिगनी हायदना गवर्नमेंट सिना लौथोक पियु अदुगा गवर्नमेंट ना ngarang nahan मिनिस्टर मना लौथोकपा गवर्नमेंट की कर्मचारी सिंह से एम्प्लॉई सिंह से थबक सुद्रबदी पैसा फंगबा यारोय नो वर्क नो पे याम फजखरब जानिको बट अदो यामना फजबसे सरकार की कर्मचारी सिंहदा तोलब पीदबा डिपार्टमेंट याम यावरिको जे पीडब्ल्यूडी की करी मैम लांगनरिको अदुना नो पे अदि चपचाब पे पीदरगदी नो वर्क नो 7 पे नो फजना थबक तोबा.
Senior journalist of Nagaland, Okenjit Sandam, told editor-in-chief of Impact TV, Yumnam Rupachandran, that the forthcoming Nagaland Assembly election on February 27 will not be affected despite the boycott of the elections by NSC and IM over a telephonic interview today.
NSC and IM ki statement has it imposed election is not acceptable to us. Haribasi yamna serious issue ni adu diwaraga lakaduriba elections that hang na pek wage do demand de adu moi khaktanate atop naga political groups haibatare moisu candidate chi nomination file to bi yaroi haidra kan badung warning period leibani simbak leina election je dum chatharak do mali adu impact yam lege do demand de hajik leri ba phibam asi BJP na hana moi gi leri ba kaino si moi ne declare torok pani hajina pod seat sharing hoigi hajik hoigi no na semba political party NDPP haidana Nagaland ma tholai siga moi si pre-poll alliance to moi seat sharing solution na gre adano leina bak nomination file to na ba gi ready loi leina ba ngaktani.
Okenjit Sandam said no candidate has filed nomination papers till date. However, it is believed that the candidates will file papers by February 7th, the last date for nomination filing.
Haji Pau manung dadi candidate amata nomination file tawtari adu ngasi kharadi tawgadra habagi adumaina khoi thajaba amagi makha da leibani adu last day of filing nomination si February tarik taretani adu ngasi hayeng sing manung da ticket pigraba amadi independent candidate na chingba candidate sing asi nomination file loina mak tawrkani habagi thajaba amde khoi leinari adu ngasi candidate nomination file tawbuda charang na ba khara thoiba asi akhoi gi naga civil society amadi mogi tribal ho mayamna khoi core committee amagi makhada moina semba matungda naga political talks yam sang na lae aduna settlement si election mamang tawgadabani haiba moina changsalakpagi matungina ngasi sigi phium se lakpani.
Segmaichin Gram Panchayat Level Multi-Purpose Cooperative Society Limited in a press release drew the attention of the authority concerned to make functional various water supply schemes set up within a stretch of 10 km within Segmaichin Gram Panchayat in Hyanglam constituency of Kakching district at the earliest. The society further appealed the authority concerned to avail various rightful welfare benefits to around 18,915 beneficiaries under the Gram Panchayat as soon as possible. It's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you news on the upcoming Council of Higher Secondary Education Manipur's Class 12 examination 2018 in the state. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back. After the break, and you're watching Prime Time English News. Secretary of the Council of Higher Secondary Education Manipur, Maishna Vidyasagar, asserted that migration of over 3,000 students from other board to the council shows the confidence and trust that guardians of students have in the council. In an exclusive interview with Impact News, Vidyasagar mentioned that the upcoming Class 12 to be held from 19th of February to 23rd of March conducted by the council will be a remarkable one, as for the first time 20 marks in history subject is dedicated to the history of Manipur. Students are also given option to choose Thangta as an elective subject. Vidyasagar encouraged students to appear the upcoming exams with confidence and said that marking trend for the state has also upgraded. He said the council has considered to award marks for value points even if students do not write the exact answer to the question. He urged not to upload any fake questions on social media as in previous years, which might confuse and mislead the students. The secretary maintained that allotment of examination centers to private schools are cancelled since last year to avoid any malpractice during the examination. He said a supervisor each will be engaged for the 92 centers this year. Over and above, flying squads will monitor the conduct of the examination. Bidya Sagar asserted that the compulsory online enrollment on registration facility will eliminate any proxy of candidates. He appealed to the civil society organizations, students and district administrations to cooperate in ensuring a free and fair conduct of the upcoming examination.
Parikha asi live ki yamru ebesti zamani sahi amasumna like tamjarak liba pajarak liba punamak adu handagi parikha sina madugi kanosi lep ka dori mani live ki process ta achaw step ama parikha si lor matung da magi aim amadi sat ka dori ba adung step amani haina lawiraga tension yawidana amadi sahi supa tamriba ojasing na takpira iba larik mana pajakiba mayam adu hangakadabani madu aina khangba khai igadabani haina I have to fight till the last drop of my blood haidana adugi wakhanda masi satrasing lawi gadab.
Committee Against the Manipur Private Schools Registration and Regulation Bill or Act 2017 CAMPSRR today demanded re-amendment of the Manipur Private Schools Registration and Regulation Bill 2017 during the ongoing assembly. Addressing media persons at Manipur Press Club, Secretary of the Committee H. Manipur Khomba expressed concern over students' future who studied in private schools. He said, as per the bill, schools which was already recognized by the state government have to register again to check the mushrooming of private schools in the state. Manipur Khomba maintained that new session has already begun and the state government is yet to release a list of recognized schools. He opined that this may put the future of students in stake if some schools do not get recognition. Questioning the authenticity of the regulation of bill, Manipur Khomba said that the state government opened the registration of newly established private schools, which was closed on January 15th, and the new schools got recognition recently. He decried corruption in such matter by the new government. He warned of intense hesitations if the bill is not amended during the ongoing assembly. It may be mentioned that the said bill was passed during the monsoon assembly 2017 by the House unanimously to check the mushrooming of the private schools in the state, and Governor Najma Heptullah issued gazetted notification on September 11th last year.
Section 3 amasung 4 unda maru aina anobul linkatpa school natana hana recognized tawraba sarkar na sakang laba already recognized tawang lairaba school singda amuka hana registration amasung recognition tawgadabani amasung registration amasung recognition tawdrabadi school sing chalai ba yaroi haiduna hana dagi leiramaba recognized tawba school sing muthatnabagi thorang ama ek asida yaure atamna private school bu manganabagi machak ama sarkar asina aron ba thorang oina as a senior person private school na aikhoina yazaning
Teachers of Kongman Mangjil Primary School Government in Kongman Mangjil in Tongzu constituency contributed money and presented stationery and other items to students as an encouragement and motivation for them to learn today. T-shirts with the school name written on it, exercise books with photo of the school on them, and the school's calendar were distributed to the students. Free van service was also launched for the students at the event. ZEO Zone 2 and Prem Chandra lauded the teachers for the initiative at the event and expressed expectation for such initiatives for them in the future.
Government gi funding gi matang da sum uniform yen ba andagi school gi notebook yen ba khopasi mayam gi wena torpani thang theng ba masida koi gi oja head mistress ina hen ma thodang lobi dana hana madam hoi gi pocket gi haja tare ko tho gan sida angang sing si ato ko school da su hong gi dana ba school sida karak ning na gi yamna angan ba initiative ni kai government school sing jadi koi gi kai ai tare dukan ri yon ba notebook sing aka to bani angang sing da su moi gi mamana ba singa sum yeng na matam da koi su koi gi school gi ina ka hair ka moi da yam nungai jaba koi su mai school ma gi tambani khopani ga na hai bu kan da puning thogon na ba hai tare maroi na angang sing
Former Students' Front in a press release condemned the restrictions imposed on mission schools in Manipur. The Students' Front appealed the authority concerned to reach an agreement with the individuals concerned at the earliest, considering the students. International Director Lion PMJF BK Luthra, who is on a 6-day visit to the state to launch various projects on Lions Club in Manipur, met media persons at Lions Eye Hospital, Sangai Pro today. Speaking to media persons, VK Luthra said the purpose of his visit is to inspect the works undertaken by the people of Lions Club in the state. He expressed deep happiness at witnessing the role taken by the clubs for the welfare of the society. Luthra said he inspected the clubs and steps will be taken soon to give financial assistance to introduce new projects. He stated that participation of youth of the state in the work under philanthropic organization will help in bringing a good future for the society. Taking part in the event, First Vice District Governor District 322D Lions Club, Gojendra said there are a total of 1,043 members in 24 Lions Club in the state, and soon the organization will try to increase to 35 clubs to make Manipur a district of the organization. He said the 25 clubs have been providing medical services to the people of the state by organizing awareness program and medical camp, and also have been distributing hunger relief materials to victims of natural and man-made calamity. Gojendra said efforts are on to increase membership of more youth and women, besides providing human services.
The Manipur and some of the projects which need some financial assistance or little guidance, to see them, observe them, and then help them in implementation of the projects, so that in the time to come, the masses are again, like we have a, where there is need, there is a lion, we said. So wherever there is requirement, that should be fulfilled. The Manipur and some of the projects.
International Peace and Social Advancement IPSA in a press release stated that commemoration of the Anglo-Manipuri War 1891 as just Khongchom Day devalues the great battle of freedom. IPSA drew the attention of the authority concerned to organize a statewide Anglo-Manipuri War 1891 observation week from April 23 to 27 and offer floral tributes to the freedom fighters who sacrificed their lives during the war by visiting war fields at Khongchom, Athokpa, Mayangkang, Laimaton Ching, Kakching, Kangla, Uttara, etc. A 40-day state-level training program for investigators of Manipur and Arunachal Pradesh in connection with nationwide survey longitudinal aging study in Asia, LASI, kicked off at Youth Hostel, Kuman Lampak today. The LASI survey is undertaken by International Institute for Population Sciences, Mumbai, as nodal agency in collaboration with the Harvard School of Public Health and University of Southern California, USA, under the aegis of the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. Around 30 investigators from Manipur and Arunachal Pradesh are taking part in the training program organized by HOPOT, a field agency of Northeast, ahead of the main survey. Speaking to media persons, trainer of the training program, Dr. Y. Sarachandra, said that the first of its kind survey in the country will investigate issues related to health, economic, social and overall well-being of persons 45 years and above. He said that the main survey, which will begin within 2 to 3 months, will try to identify frequently prone communicable diseases facing individuals 45 years and above. Sarachandra said that policy programs under the center will be undertaken for the stay after the survey. Project officer of IIPS LASI project, L. Gunindro, was also present at the event.
Makoida Ladiba, Makoigi Laina, Makoida Ladiba, Maruina, Koigi Kanoda. Launaga double lainase akoina non communicable disease singsida akoina identify tauba aduga makoi singna aging si akoi kayam hena koigi aging gi process kamai tawi aduna adagi makoi da karamba support lady aduga medical magi dagi na natraga insurance ki magi de na kamba support lady adagi yum lei gare na kamai tawi haimana singba mayam si thigal leraga adui matungina India government na koigi state ki oiba Kenosi policy program si semak na way damakta akoy na maruiba tawdang si lauraga akoy na ngasigi lasi program si chatabani.
Relief Center for the Welfare of Differently Abled Persons Manipur extended material assistance to one Himam Yaima, 55 years, from Manungchana Laimanai Makhaleka in Kaching district yesterday. Yaima became a differently abled person after suffering a BP stroke, which rendered him immobile 10 years ago. Upon getting information about him, the relief center paid a field visit and offered his material assistance, including a wheelchair, 50 kgs of rice, pulses, potatoes, blanket, etc. Though physically disabled now, Yaima was ignorant about how to avail various governmental schemes meant for the welfare of the disabled persons in the state. He was unaware of how to even obtain a disabled certificate. Meanwhile, the relief center also presented a wheelchair to one Sogaijam Jason, son of Sogaijam Homendra from Singtumai Makha Waikom Laikai. Relief Center for the Welfare of Differently Abled Persons, Manipur, in collaboration with Society for the Empowerment of the Disabled Persons, Langmaidong launched a skilled entrepreneurial development program for the differently abled persons and their parents and guardians at Langmaidong Maning Mayay Laikai today. The training program will teach them how to make detergents, dishwash, and agarbati. Speaking at the launch of the training program, international awardee and premier said that the training program was organized with an objective to empower differently abled persons to earn their livelihood instead of staying unproductive at home. He said training programs dealing with handlooms and handicrafts will also be held in the near future. Now to sports news. In the second quarter-final match of the first Hanif Shah Memorial State level Muslim football tournament played at Kwakta Bazaar public ground today, YDO Sora dropped MHSWU Hatta Imphal 4-0 to enter the semi-final. For the winners, Mohammad Nasir Hussain netted 2 goals, while Mohammad Ruhid and Mohammad Ahmad Samim netted a goal each. YDO Sora's player Mohammad Nadir Ali Takahar was edged man of the match. Faso K3 Mayay Laikai Imphal East will meet YUFC Yaripok in the third quarter-final match tomorrow. Before I end the bulletin, let's take a look at the headlines once again. 2 powerful hand grenade blasts consecutively inside Polo Ground, injuring 2 persons this evening. BJP-led state government tables total estimated budget of 13,733.62 crore rupees for 2018-2019 in the budget assembly session today. Deputy CM and Finance Minister Joy Kumar attributes increase in GSDP to lifting of economic blockades by the BJP-led state government, says 7 pay commission not in the current budget. Irate members of the newly appointed Employee Association PWD tried to storm the assembly complex, demanding removal of keeping abeyance imposed on PWD employees appointed in 2016 today. And Mapitil Dam affected villages demand fair compensation for the villages affected by the prolonged construction of the dam by February 10th.